mutual inductance. The concept of mutual inductance. Now let us consider a two coil. Now this is the first coil. This is the coil 1 and this is the coil 2. This is the galvanometer. When the current in the primary coil, when if I1 is the current flowing in the primary coil, which produces the magnetic flux, change in magnetic flux in the coil 2, and so that which produces the induced EMF in the coil, and that phenomenon is called as the mutual inductance. The phenomenon of production of a induced EMF in the coil 2 due to the change in current in the coil 1, and therefore magnetic flux phi12 is produced in the coil 2, and which is directly proportional to I1, and therefore phi1 proportional to I1, and therefore phi12 is some constant M12 into I1, where M12 is the mutual coefficient of mutual inductance in the coil, and therefore phi12 proportional to M12 into I1, and therefore here the induced EMF E12 is equal to minus d phi12 upon dt, and they are putting this value here phi12, and therefore it is minus M21 into di1 by dt, and therefore this is the induced EMF in the second coil due to the change in current in the first coil. Now let us see if I2 is the current flowing in the coil number 2, which induces the induced EMF in the coil 1, and that phenomenon is called as the mutual inductance. Hence we can have the magnetic induction, a magnetic flux linked with the first coil phi12 proportional to I2, and therefore phi12 is equal to M12 into I2, and therefore magnetic flux linked with the first coil is equal to magnetic mutual inductance to the first coil into I2, and therefore from these two equations we can have phi M21 is equal to phi21 upon I1, and M12 is equal to phi12 upon I2, and from this we can have the definition of mutual inductance, and in general we can write M mutual inductance of secondary coil is equal to phi s upon I1, and therefore the mutual inductance is the ratio of magnetic flux produced in secondary coil due to change in current in the primary coil, and this is one of the definition of mutual inductance. And again we have the alternative definition of mutual inductance, as we know that E21 is equal to M21 into di1 by dt, and therefore from this M21 is equal to minus E21 upon di1 by dt by taking only magnitude, and therefore from this relation magnetic mutual inductance for secondary coil is equal to induced EMF produced in secondary coil, and this is di1 by dt, and from this equation we can have the mutual inductance is defined as the ratio of induced EMF produced in the secondary coil to the rate of change of current in the primary coil, and therefore it has unit. Therefore EMF is measured in volt and current is measured in ampere per second, and therefore it can be write V into second divided by R, and V upon I is R, and that is equal to R into second. This is the unit, and therefore mutual inductance is also measured in Henry, and therefore 1 Henry is equal to 1 ohm into 1 second, and therefore from this is the alternative definition of mutual inductance. Now the next important concept is wireless charging system. Wireless charging system. And therefore in wireless charging system we can have the base unit is used as a solenoid which having length L and NB be the number of turns of solenoid, and hand unit which is having the number of turns NH, and NH be the number of turns of handle, and the handle is surrounding the base unit. When the handle is pressed on the base, a current produced in the base gives rise to the current in handle. And we know that this current in the handle due to the magnetic field produced in the base, and the magnetic field produced in the base is equal to mu 0 N into I, where this is the magnetic field for the solenoid, and therefore the total magnetic flux is equal to B into A, and that is equal to B means mu 0 N I into A area, and therefore the magnetic flux phi h is equal to NH into phi h, and therefore phi h is equal to Bs into A. Phi h is equal to Bs into A, where magnetic flux linked with the handle due to the magnetic field produced in the solenoid. Hence we can write Bh is equal to Bs into A, and therefore the total inductance here is equal to produce here phi h is equal to this, and total inductance is equal to here N H phi h upon I, and therefore putting this value is here NH, and phi h is the Bs into A upon I, and finally we can have NH. Bs is mu 0 N I A upon I. Therefore I will get cancelled, and finally mu h into, and therefore what is N? N be the number of turns per unit length, and therefore we can write number of turns per unit length is equal to N, and therefore N, this is putting this value here, therefore NH into mu 0, and that is N A NS, and therefore NB, we can say B NB A upon N, and therefore this will be the mutual inductance M. This will be the mutual inductance produced in case of a wireless system. Dear student, if you like my video, please subscribe it and click on the like button.